Don't tell me where your priorities are. Show me where you spend your money, and I'll tell you what they are. James W. Frick. Investing your money in the right things and making intentional purchases will ensure that your spending aligns with your values and goals. So get ready to open up your wallet and discover the priceless value of these 10 things you should spend your money on. Number 10. Traveling. Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. Anonymous. Traveling may seem expensive at first, but it's worth every penny. Its benefits far outweigh the cost, as it can expand your perspectives, challenge your beliefs, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The opportunity to experience new cultures, explore different cuisines, interact with others, and witness breathtaking sights can enrich your life in ways that no material possessions can. It also allows you to take a break from the stresses of daily life and make real connection with the world around you. So carry on and don't let the price tag scare you. There are tons of ways you can stretch your dollar just by doing your research and planning ahead. Find deals and discounts on your bookings through different travel sites, and you'll be surprised how far your vacation budget can bring you. Number 9. A side hustle. Do you find yourself wasting your free time watching TV or scrolling on social media? Why not make use of those few hours each day by working on a side hustle? A side hustle is a great way to take control of your financial future by turning your passions into profits. It allows you to focus on your interests, develop new skills, and earn extra income on your own terms. It's a smart way to diversify your income streams while still working on your day job. Its benefits go beyond just earning extra cash. It can give you a greater sense of fulfillment, build your self-confidence, and provide value to others by fulfilling their needs. If you remain consistent, you can even grow it into a full-time career. And the best part? You can be your own boss and pursue your own vision of success. Number 8. Outsourcing. Are you ready to take your business to the next level and streamline your operations? Outsourcing is the key. It allows you to tap into a wealth of expertise and experience of other people, saving you time, money, and hassle. Whether it's accounting, marketing, or customer service, outsourcing can help you improve the quality of your business operations while freeing up your time to focus on things that you do best. By outsourcing, you can also gain access to cutting-edge technology and tools that can help you stay ahead of the competition. You can even save money by only paying for the services you need, without having to worry about the costs of employing and training staff. So if you're ready to take your business to new heights, start exploring your options today and reap the enormous benefits of expert outsourcing. Number 7. Your personal development. If I had 5 minutes to chop down a tree, I'd spend the first 3 sharpening my axe. Abraham Lincoln. Whether you're looking to further your career or just trying to learn a new skill, betting on yourself will get you ahead faster in life. As the better you become, the lesser time it takes for you to accomplish your goals. This could be anything from taking an online course, attending a workshop, or learning a new language. Not only will you gain valuable insights, you will also increase your value and earning potential. This can open doors for a better job or a promotion. You can even start your own business with your newly acquired set of skills and knowledge. All of these will translate to you having more income and freedom over your time in the long run. Number 6. High-quality mattress. Imagine sinking into a cloud-like oasis every night, where your body is cradled in complete comfort and support, and you'll never want to settle for anything less. Buying a top-quality mattress is like investing in your own haven of rest and rejuvenation. Not only will you wake up feeling refreshed, you'll also experience countless benefits from having good quality sleep, such as stronger immunity, increased productivity, and reduced stress levels. It can also relieve body pains and stiffness, and improve your mood. Plus, a durable top-of-the-line mattress will save you money in the long run, as it can last longer than a cheaper, low-quality option. Number 5. Good quality shoes. Your feet carry you through life, so when it comes to footwear, quality matters. By quality, it does not refer to those trendy fashion brands with top-selling logos. Those only appeal to the middle class, who are trying to look wealthy. And most of the time, you will find that those shoes are actually uncomfortable, leaving your feet feeling sore at the end of the day. Wealthy people, on the other hand, go for top-quality shoes that are designed to last. These shoes provide superior support and cushioning. They can also improve your posture and boost your overall confidence. Although they may cost quite a bit up front, they can actually save you money by reducing your risk of having foot injuries and eliminating the need for constant replacements. Number 4. Your retirement. Here's how I think of my money. As soldiers, I send them out to war every day. I want them to take prisoners and come home, so there's more of them. Kevin O'Leary. In order to build the retirement of your dreams, you need to start investing early. By doing so, you're giving yourself the gift of time. Time to let your money grow, compound, and work harder for you. Imagine the thrill of watching your investments grow, year after year, knowing that you're building a solid nest egg for your future. Start by choosing a retirement account, such as 401k and IRAs, and start contributing. Many accounts will allow you to set up automatic contributions, so you can invest consistently. Next, diversify your portfolio by investing in a mixture of assets like stocks and bonds. And most importantly, remember that the market comes in cycles of booms and busts. Stay patient and committed to your investment plan, and you will be rewarded handsomely by the time you retire. Number 3. Sufficient insurance coverage. Life is unpredictable, and accidents happen when we least expect them. Think about it. If something were to happen to you, could you afford the costly medical bills or repairs to your car or home? That's why buying insurance is crucial, to protect yourself and your loved ones from financial ruin in the event of an unexpected event. If you get into a car accident, your car insurance will cover the cost of your car repairs and any injuries that may have been caused to third parties. If you fall sick or get injured, your health insurance will pay for your medical treatment. If you get diagnosed with a critical illness, your critical illness insurance will pay you a sum that will tide you through your period of recovery. And if something unfortunate happened to you, or in the event of untimely death, your life insurance will provide financial support to your loved ones while they are coping with your loss. Getting enough insurance coverage is a small price to pay for the peace of mind and financial security that it can provide for your future and the future of your loved ones. Number 2. A solid emergency fund. Picture this. You're living your best life, enjoying your vacation in a tropical island, and then suddenly, unexpected expenses hit you like a ton of bricks. Don't let life's surprises derail your financial goals. Save up for an emergency fund. Think of it as your own financial safety net. Whether it's a home repair, a job loss, or a medical bill, an emergency fund ensures that you don't have to dip into your investments or resort to high-interest loans or credit cards. The good news is, with the right discipline, building an emergency fund is achievable, regardless of your income level. Typically, it should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, although the amount needed may vary based on individual circumstances. With a little bit of planning and budgeting, you can start building your emergency fund today by setting aside a portion of your salary each month. Remember, don't ever touch it unless it's a real emergency. Before getting into number 1, kindly hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on future videos. With that said, here is number 1. Your health. Your body is your temple, and taking care of it should be a top priority. Regular exercise, healthy eating habits, and proper self-care can help prevent chronic illnesses like heart disease and diabetes. Being physically active can improve your mood and prevent joint-related diseases such as arthritis. Having the right amount of nutrition will also promote high energy levels needed to tackle your daily goals. Most importantly, taking care of your health now can save you money in the long run by reducing your healthcare costs and the likelihood of needing expensive medical treatments. Make sure to watch the next video as you will surely get a ton of value from it. Thanks, and see you again.